Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. Lift the holding flap valve with a small screwdriver, then slit the blade towards the back to remove it. Take the new blade and install the adapter, which corresponds to your model. To put the new one in place, slide the blade onto the housing, then push the holding clap valve back down. Put the blade back onto the windscreen. Lift the windscreen wiper, then turn the blade 45 degrees. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.